To use the expression à pied. For example, when you tell someone that you walk to work or to school, all right, you don't say je marche au travail ou je marche vers le travail. You say je vais au travail and you add à pied. Pied means feet, right? So basically you go to work by feet. That's literally what it means. So instead of saying je marche au travail, you say je vais au travail à pied. Je vais au travail à pied. You can do the liaison, but nobody does actually. So if you want to speak native, speak like everybody else does. So say je vais au travail à pied. Je vais au travail à pied. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to pronounce a word that has become trendy for some reason when it's time to learn French, but nobody uses this word anymore. It was the shit when it was like early 1900s or something. Maybe you guessed it. It's sacre bleu. First of all, it's sacre bleu, okay? But anyways, I don't know. English people think it's very cool to say that. When you ask them if they speak French, you say, of course, a sacre bleu. Nope. Sacre bleu. So the cre is crucial here because it involves the infamous letter R. So cre, re, cre, cre, sacre bleu, sacre bleu. One more time. Sacre bleu. Now, if you actually drive to work, you don't say, I drive to work, would be je conduis au travail. It doesn't mean the same thing. If you translate it that way, it would mean in French that you drive when you're at work. Sounds weird. So we say, je vais au travail en voiture. Voiture means car. We say en voiture, literally by car. So I go to work. I drive to work. You say je vais au travail en voiture. Je vais au travail en voiture. One more time. Je vais au travail en voiture. So let's say someone asks you what you do in life and you're a producer, right? In French, you wouldn't say je suis producteur. No, like many people get lazy when it's time to pronounce the letter R, so they go with the same English R. It's re. So p. This one is easy, right? P. It's like phe. P. Re. Pre. Pro. Change the vowel at the end. Producteur. You pronounce the R at the end, but it's very brief. It's like you're spitting something out of your throat. Producteur. In English, when you want to ask someone what their job is, you ask, what do you do for a living? In French, we don't say that. We don't say tu fais quoi pour survivre, pour vivre. We ask, tu fais quoi dans la vie? What do you do in life? Tu fais quoi dans la vie? Or if it's someone that you don't know, or if it's someone that you want to be formal with, you use vous. This is where the distinction between tu and vous comes in. It sounds vous faites quoi or tu fais quoi. Vous faites quoi? Tu fais quoi? Dans la vie. Dans la vie. Basically, what do you do in life? What do you do in life? Tu fais quoi dans la vie? Vous faites quoi dans la vie?